The third type of variable in robot framework is dictionaries. Dictionaries are a collection of key and value pairs. Let me give an example. When you want to store name of the students in a class, then you can use the list, which will hold the name of each of the student. When you want to store details about each of the students, for example, name of the student, then the address of the student, phone number, and so on, then you have to create separate list for each student, which will hold all the details about the student. But with list, how you refer these values is through index, like 0th value, first value, second value, and so on. This is not a stable approach because let me show an example. Let's create a student 1. I'm giving the first value as name. The second value is his address. The next one is his phone number. Just I'm giving some example. But for the student number 2, the first value can be name, but the second value you might give as a phone number. Then as we are referring the index, for the each student, this index will change. For the first student, the index number 1 will give his address, whereas for the second student, the index number 1 will give his phone number. So this approach will create lot of errors. That's why we use dictionaries. In dictionaries, we provide a key and its value. Let me show an example. Before that, the variable type identifier for the dictionary is ampersand. Whenever we put an ampersand, open and close curly braces, then the robot framework understands that it is a dictionary. So within that, we will provide the dictionary name. Let's give student 1 double space. Then you have to provide the name of the student. So the key is name, which is equal to name of the student. Again a double space. You can provide an address. So you can see the syntax of the dictionary. It is ampersand, open, close curly brace with the variable name. Each element will have a key and its value. Let me give one more, phone number. Now when we define the second student, there will be a name, but he might not have an address. So just give a phone number. So this way we create a clear key and value pairs. Now how to refer this inside a test case? Simple. Let me create a test case. Log. The same way how we refer a list, we have to provide it as a dictionary, student 1, and I want his name. So within the square brackets, we have to provide the key. Now same as the list, this also will raise a warning because this ampersand is deprecated. Just let me run it. It won't throw any failures, but it will show a warning that ampersand is deprecated. So you have to change it to $. So whenever you refer some value, it will be $. Run it again. Let me open the report. Refresh. Fourth test case. If I go inside that, student 1 name is John. Now there is one more way to refer the value. Instead of providing the square brackets, you can just provide it within the variable as dot name as well. So both will refer the same value. Either you can provide with the square bracket or you can provide as variable name dot the key. Let me just run this as well. Refresh it. It is referring the same key. So this is how we refer the value of the dictionary.